Hey everyone, so we'll begin with the first experiment. The first experiment is for Recon-ng and Amass. So I'll put it shortly. Recon-ng is to gain information regarding a particular domain or a website. You can even obtain information from other systems as well, but that's a bit more complicated. But it's very simple to start this experiment. First, we need to launch it by typing Recon-ng in the terminal. Then create a workspaces, create, and you can give whatever name you want here. So ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. For example, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ test ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, but you can give anything over there. After that, you have to use marketplace search. This is just for in case or ವೈವಾಗ ಏನಕ್ಕೋ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ SSL. SSL ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ search ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, but you can use any other terms as well. Um, for example, now you're going to search for hacker target, which we'll be using in this thing. And once you find it, just type install instead of search, and then it will get installed. And then modules load hacker target. So once it's loaded, you'll see that the module will be inside the brackets over here. So the main difference is you can ignore workspaces create test like this first command, but still in case they ask, just create your own workspace. That's all. But the main thing is you have to ensure that hacker target is loaded before any issues, before anything that you give. And then now options, set source is capitals, and then you can give any domain. I'll give us tesla.com. It's itself examples allo ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, so ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. And ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ you'll get it like so, source at tesla.com. So this ensures that the source that you want to find out is tesla.com, but you can give any domain over here: Google, Facebook, Instagram, anything over there. It's totally fine. And then after you set it, just press run, and you'll it'll execute it automatically. um, these are the domains that it was able to contact. And after this you can just exit it, but instead of that, just open a new terminal instance, and you can use control shift plus to increase the font of the terminal. Now similarly within the same now within this terminal, we'll do Amass. So Amass, it's also an inbuilt tool. Enum. This is a simple command to execute, and no, you don't even have to remember that many lines. Passive hyphen D, and then I'll give tesla.com itself. So Amass, enum, enumerate, passive mode, D for domain name. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. You can give anything over here under tesla.com ಅಲ್ಲಿ. You can give anything else and it's totally fine. Amass is the main command. Enum for enumerate ಅಂದ್ರೆ just pass this ಅಂತ, like do as follows ಅಂತ almost. And passive for passive mode. You don't want to scan aggressively, like ತುಂಬಾ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ you might get blocked. So use passive hyphen D for domain. And tesla.com. Once you give, it will start executing. Amass will take some lot of time to execute properly. So just leave it as it is, and just leave it. That's all. And now we'll go for the errors in Recon-ng. If you don't have connection to the internet, it won't work properly. You'll get an error in the beginning itself saying that internet connection is not internet connection. It will be like not able to sync with GitHub or something like that at the beginning. Or if in case you lose internet access in the middle, it won't be able to go and access the servers outside. So you won't get these stuff. So make sure you do that. And in case if there are any other errors like long errors such as like Python error or something like that, just uninstall it and then reinstall it again, and it should be fine. To uninstall any command in to uninstall any um, anything in particular, you just have to type sudo and then apt remove uh, uh, and then the name of the tool, say Recon-ng. You just have to type this. I'm not going to do it now, but if you type enter, it will start removing it. You'll have to just press Y at the end. That's all. And for as you can see, Amass will take some more time to execute, but yeah, that's it. Regarding the -o output.txt, -o just means after this, -o just means uh, put the output in the following file, and it will create the file inside the same directory itself. After this, if you press ls and give cat output.txt, it will show the output within this terminal itself. So that's it. Yep, that's the first experiment.